Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking for Chill Girl. On today's episode, we're going to be making some vegan ramen. It is, I know I say this all the time, but it is very easy, cheap, and quick. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna drop you guys down so I can see what we're doing. Okay, so we're gonna start off by taking some broccoli and some mushrooms. We're gonna be adding that to a pot, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut that up real quick. Okay, and I'm gonna leave the mushrooms. I bought them sliced, so I'm just gonna leave them sliced like that. I'm gonna add them to the pot just like this. Okay, so the broccoli and the mushrooms are chopped and nice. So I'm gonna turn this burner on medium-high heat. We're gonna put about a cup of water into this pot, like that. We're going to be using the chicken bouillon, the no chicken bouillon, as the base for our seasoning. So I'm gonna take about half a tablespoon to a tablespoon. We're just gonna let that start coming to a little bit of a boil, just so it can get all the seasonings in there moving. I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper to that. Put some respect on my chick. There you go. Okay, now that it's come to a simmer, we're gonna increase it a little bit. I usually go a little bit before high, whatever that is on your stove, just so we can cook the vegetables. So I'm putting the broccoli in there, also putting the mushrooms in there. And we're gonna let that boil and cook down. Uh-oh, it might get foggy. I don't know, y'all, it might get foggy. Okay, so it has been cooking for like 10 minutes and the broccoli and the mushrooms are pretty much cooked. So all we're gonna do next is just get a little bit more water. Okay, so we just got a little bit more water and we poured that over. I'm gonna turn the heat down to medium and we're gonna use ramen packet. So ramen packets, the actual seasoning packet is not vegan. The noodles are. Okay, so you can use the noodles and it's still cheap as hell. So what I like to do is I just like to break it. And then we're just gonna drop that in the pot. And the hot water is just gonna cook the ramen. If you have a top to the pot, you can always put the top over it. It's just gonna cook a little faster and the ramen is gonna absorb more of the water. But I know a lot of people don't know where their lids to their pots are. So if you don't know where your lids to your pots are going, that's perfectly fine. Just keep the lid off. Okay, you guys, so this is what it's looking like after the ramen noodles are cooked. And to top it off, we're just gonna squeeze a little lemon over it. And that'll be it. And of course, we're just gonna eat it from the pot like this. So I'm gonna bring you guys up. Okay, so you guys are back up for the taste test. I need my chopsticks, hold on. And I got me a drink. Powerade Twisted Blackberry. It's really good. Really, really good. So my hand in the chopsticks. Let's just try. It's still really hot. So hot. I'm about to burn on my mouth, on my chest, on my head. Ow! The mushroom. Let me take a little sip on the mouth. I gotta go finish listening to Beyonce's album. Beyonce and Jay-Z. Okay. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching and listening and all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in episode, I forgot, but I'll put it on the title. So I'll be back in the next episode. I love you guys. Bye. Get out, raise my price, damn you hungry, Jesus Christ.